Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are well. So, you people had summer breaks. Now your summer breaks are over, and from today we are going to start our class. So, in today's class, we are going to start chapter number 3, exercise 3.1 of it. And the name of the chapter is Playing with Numbers. This is gonna be part 1 of this chapter. So let us start. So children, in this video we are going to discuss these two topics, factors and multiples. Okay, so exercise 3.1 is based on these two topics, factors and multiples. Let us discuss what factors are. So children, factors are an exact divisor of any given number. Okay, what is a factor? A factor is an exact divisor of given number. This will be more clear to you when we will discuss few examples. Okay, so let us discuss some examples to understand better about factors. Let us solve question number 1 of your maths book. Okay, write all the factors of the following numbers. Okay, we have to write the factors of numbers. What we know about factor is that factor is an exact divisor of given number. Here the given number is 24. Okay, so now to write factors of 24, we have to think of the numbers by which 24 can be obtained. Okay, by their multiplications 24 can be obtained. For example, we all know that if we multiply 1 by 24, the result will be 24. Yes? Similarly, we know that 24 is divisible by 2, or we can say that 2 multiplied by 12 is 24. Yes? 2 multiplied by 12 is what? It is 24. Now, here we know that here 3 multiplied by 8 is 24. 3 8s are 24. Yes or no? Yes? 3 8s is 24. Similarly, 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. 4 6 is 24. Okay, now if we will move forward, we will find that here, let me write over here. We know that other than 4, it is divisible by 6. 6 4s are 24, and 8, other than this, 8 3s are 24. Then 12 2s are 24, and also 24 1 multiplied by 1 is 24. So these are the various products by which we can obtain 24. Here you can see after this 4 repetition has started, means 4 into 6, here 6 into 4, 3 into 8, here it is 8 into 3. So the repetition has started. Okay, only the order has changed. So here what we can write is, we can write factors of 24 are, so all these numbers by which 24 can be obtained will be factors of 24. So we will start from here, 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 6, then 8, 12, and at last 24. So all these numbers are factors of 24. Let us now discuss one more example. This is B part of it, and the number is 15. So let us now write by which numbers we can obtain 15. Here let me start by 1, as we know that 1 multiplied by 15 is 15. Yes? And other than this, 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. 3 5s is 15, we all know. Then 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. And here 15 multiplied by 1 is 15. So what we can write is, we can write here that factors of 15 are, factors of 15 are 1, then 3, then 5, and at last 15. So these numbers 1, 3, 5 and 15 are factors of 15. This is the given number. I hope you all people have understand what factors are and how to calculate factors. Let us now discuss some important points about factors. Okay, we have understood that what factors are. Factors are the exact divisor of any given number. We have also discussed few examples. Now let us discuss some important points about factors. Okay, so the first point is 1 is a factor of every number. As you all have observed that 1 is the factor of every number. We can opt any number by multiplying it by 1, like 1 multiplied by 13 is 13. So every 1 is a factor of every number. Second point is every number is a factor of itself. Yes. Why? Because every number can be divisible by itself. Okay, we can divide 12 by 12. Okay, so 12 is a factor of 12. Similarly, 5 can be divided by 5. So 5 is a factor of itself. So every number is a factor of itself. Third point is every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Here you can see that these factors 1, 3, 5 and 15. These three are less than 15 and 15 is equal to 15. So factors can be less than 15. Factors can be less than the given number or equal to the number. In this example also you have observed that all these factors are less than 24 and the last one is equal to 24. So factors either can be less than or equal to the number. Now the fourth point is number of factors of a given number are finite. It means whenever we will calculate factors, their numbers will be countable. Okay, they are finite in numbers. Like 15 is having 4 factors here. Okay, and the example which we did earlier, in this it was having 3 and 3, 6, 7, 8 factors. Okay, so always any number will be having finite number of factors.